Alright guys, good day. I want to show you how you can reinstall your system software ps3 using your phone. Just go straight PlayStation homepage. You will see how you can do it. See how you can do it. This is it. How you can reinstall your system software. This is it. Just download this. Okay, press this thing to download the update. This is the I press agree and download now. Press the button. And it's downloading. It's downloading. I have downloaded it already. Just go straight to your file manager, and this is how you can do it. Create a folder ps3, create another folder update, and put the file here. And bring out the memory card and put it in USB. When you put it in USB, the game will update. Thanks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.